Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. Quickbase is a low-code platform that allows you to build custom applications without having to write any code. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can be used to automate a variety of tasks, from tracking sales to managing inventory. So what companies use Quickbase? Well, the answer is a lot. Quickbase is used by a wide variety of companies, including Fortune 500 companies. Quickbase is used by some of the largest companies in the world, including Microsoft, IBM, and General Electric. Small businesses. Quickbase is also used by many small businesses. In fact, Quickbase is one of the most popular low-code platforms for small businesses. Nonprofit organizations. Quickbase is used by a number of nonprofit organizations, including the American Red Cross and the Salvation Army. Government agencies. Quickbase is used by many government agencies, including the Department of Defense and the Department of Homeland Security. So why do so many companies use Quickbase? Well, there are a number of reasons. First, Quickbase is very easy to use. Even if you don't have any experience with programming, you can learn how to use Quickbase in no time. Second, Quickbase is very flexible. You can use it to build a wide variety of applications, from simple forms to complex workflows. Third, Quickbase is very scalable. You can start with a small application and then add on features and users as your needs grow. Here are a few specific examples of how companies use Quickbase. Microsoft. Microsoft uses Quickbase to track employee performance and manage projects. IBM. IBM uses Quickbase to manage its supply chain and track customer service issues. General Electric. General Electric uses Quickbase to manage its safety and compliance programs. American Red Cross. The American Red Cross uses Quickbase to track donations and manage volunteer activities. Salvation Army. The Salvation Army uses Quickbase to track client services and manage its inventory. Department of Defense. The Department of Defense uses Quickbase to track military personnel and manage logistics operations. Department of Homeland Security. The Department of Homeland Security uses Quickbase to track immigration applications and manage border security operations. In addition to the above examples, Quickbase is also used by a variety of other companies, including healthcare providers. Quickbase is used to manage patient records and track billing. Retailers. Quickbase is used to manage inventory and track sales. Financial services companies. Quickbase is used to manage customer accounts and process transactions. Manufacturing companies. Quickbase is used to track production and manage quality control. Education institutions. Quickbase is used to track student records and manage admissions. Quickbase is a powerful and versatile platform that can be used by businesses of all sizes. If you're looking for a way to automate your business processes and improve your productivity, Quickbase is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.